ISTQB Foundation Level Question 502. Maintenance testing is A. Updating tests when the software has changed. B. Testing a released system that has been changed. C. Testing by users to ensure that the system meets a business need. D. Testing to maintain business advantage.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is B, according to ISTQB Syllabus. Maintenance testing is performed when a system that is already in production is modified due to bug fixes, corrective maintenance, enhancements, adaptive maintenance, performance improvements, perfective maintenance, platform migrations, preventive maintenance. It ensures that the modifications work correctly and do not introduce new defects. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because maintenance testing itself focuses on verifying the impact of changes in a live system, not just updating test cases. Although updating test cases is a part of test maintenance. Answer C is not correct, because this option describes user acceptance testing (UAT), which occurs before a system goes live, not maintenance testing. Answer D is not correct, because maintenance testing is specifically about testing changes in an already released system, not about business strategy. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows: modifications, such as planned enhancements, i.e. release-based, corrective changes or hotfixes. This is consistent with the correct answer B. Last but not least, as you might have already guessed, looking at your titanic efforts, diligence, and perseverance, I expect a gigantic progress from you, so I look forward to your success, which might happen overnight. Don't stop! Never give up!